What's up, people? Back at you with another one. Today I got something a little different. I got some new material for the car. I'm gonna show it off to you, let you know what's going on. But I took my seats out and I took them to get reupholstered. The back seat, the back bench seat, whatever, I did that myself just to try it out. I'll show you that at a later date. I don't have it out with me, but I got the two front bucket seats. I'll put a picture of it, how it used to look in the video. Let you check that out so you can get a before and after. But here's how it looks now. I'll show it to you. So this came out nice. I was gonna try to do the front seat myself, but I got started and it came out as a mission. I was like, nah, I ain't ready for this. I was too much of a rookie for that. The back seat wasn't too bad. I ordered some cushions. Went and brought the cloth, the burlap cloth to protect it. And I found a shop that did it for me for the low. And I went on, dropped it off, got it done. I got the two front seats. My man's wrapped it up for me, took care of it. I got the material from Speedway. And I caught it on sale during the holidays, man. They always running good deals, man. I didn't need to do nothing all crazy, man. These interior shops, man, they want so much money. It is ridiculous. Now, I'll show you this bottom. You can see the bottom on this one is black and that one still a little rusty. So I sprayed this one with some Rust-Oleum. I didn't go all crazy. I just wanted it to look pretty decent, So it's been sitting in my garage. I actually got this interior done a while ago, before the winter time, or right around the start of winter. And so that's why it's dusty and stuff like that. It's been sitting in my garage over the winter, but man, it's some real nice. It came out real nice. For the price I paid, I didn't pay anything. Interiors, man, they gonna charge you. You ain't spending no less than $6,000-7,000. I didn't need nothing super crazy, So, also as you can see, I'll show you right here. I got this. This is the old plastic. The guy put it back on. I got new plastic. This is nice. Check this out. New plastic came like this with the chrome trim and around the sides also. It's gonna replace it, go somehow, some way, whatever, something like this. This might be for the driver's side. I got driver and passenger. Fresh black trim. Yeah. So I'll show you the back pieces. Excuse my garage, it's a little dirty. I'll show you. I'm gonna have to replace this too. I didn't even buy that. But yeah, all this back, this plastic, all this pop right off. All this come right off. This plastic. I have a nice trim around it. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna change that up and show you how I look after I do it. I'll be right back with you.